How find your client? Well, it's a different solution and things how you can find your client. The first one is recommendation from colleague or friends. You can build a good website. There's different kind of website that you can use. You can use Wix, Squarespace, WordPress. I'm gonna leave you a discount for Wix, so you can, if you want to start to build your website, you can use Wix. It's a good website to build a website. I use that one. It's really good. Create a Twitter, Facebook account only for work, or you can create a page. It's the same things. Just make sure that this is just for work, guys. Just remember, your client want to see what you do on a job, not what you do in the gym, not what you do with your girlfriend when you go out for a dinner. Join a Facebook group. That's one of the big ones, guys. Nowadays, one of the best solution to find your clients, new management, a new company, is through the social media. I know, it sounds strange, but the reality of the things is this. First things, there's a couple of groups that I wrote down in here: the Audio Cartel, Freelance Job Swap, BOPNet for people that work in US, AV Freelance Job Posting, Turing Professional. There is tons of them, but these are the big ones. These are the ones that you can find quite a lot of job. Make sure that you join this Facebook group. Don't remember, just write down. I mean, you will have these for always, so there is not a big problem. Create an Instagram account and link this to your page, Facebook or Twitter. Why? I explain you why. Nowadays, Instagram is more common than Facebook and Twitter. But you can just do one post on your Instagram account and you link your Facebook page and your Twitter page. That means that you can do just one click, just share one content on one platform, and you will have all your content on 3 platforms. So this will make sure that the people that maybe follow you on Twitter or maybe follow you on Facebook, they will always be updated because you will share them also through Instagram. So make sure that everything is linked. It's nice and easy to do it. Create an account on LinkedIn. This is important, like your Facebook page or your Instagram account, but make sure that this is really detailed. So with your work that you have done, or your certificate, or your training. This is more used on a corporate side. On Turing side, a lot of people just want to see what you have done, just want to know the artist that you work for and what you know. So if you do quite a lot corporate work, make sure that your LinkedIn is updated. Go to expo events like Plaza or ProLight Sound. Make sure that you meet people. Make sure that you stop on a stand and ask questions. Ask questions to the people that understand about the machine that they have, about the desk that they have, about the lights that they have, and just engage with other people. Introduce yourself, saying, hi, I'm this guy, I do this, I work in this business. Give them your business cards, or just give them your Instagram account. Say, oh, you know what, that's my Instagram account if you want to follow my job, what I do. And believe it or not, nowadays people really care more about this stuff than before, that there was someone behind the desk just hiring people. Time change, guys. Believe it or not, the new generation is going forward, and you need to be updated with all of these things. So you need to know how you need to sell yourself and how you need to find the client for yourself. This is another important one. You need to talk with other freelancers. When you are on a job, make sure that you are a good guy. You know what I mean? Make sure that you talk with everyone. Be friendly with everyone. Work as a team. Because if another freelance that maybe have got more job than you, they can keep your contact and call you if they need someone. He will not lose the client and you will get more job. But just remember, when another freelancer will call you to work for a job, they will send you to a client. You need to remember that that guy give you his client. So what you could do, that client will call you back or they will send you an email back. Just make sure that your friend that gave you that job go a call before, because that's how you get respect in the business, because that's how freelance life works, guys. You need to make sure that you keep everyone happy. You need to make sure that you share your work with other people, especially if they help you. Just remember that he helped you or she helped you giving their job. I know that they were busy, but they give you one of their client. So you need to make sure that you give them back. Don't be selfish, because this business is always, 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 always about teamwork. Make sure that everyone will be happy. Make sure that everyone have got enough work. Make sure that you help each other. The last one, this is the easiest one. Go on Google and find all the events company that are around your area. Make sure that you write down the name of the company, start calling them, start to email them, say, look, I'm looking for a job, I'm a sound engineer, I work in this area, I'm free, I can come and work for a day for free, if you want to see me working. Make sure that you, if you do it, make sure that you do a good job, and the night say, oh, hello, I'm looking for something to work every night or every weekend, what do you think, can I do something? And if they will want to give you money because they say, oh, I love your work, I'm gonna pay you. Also, if you ask me to work for free, just accept the money. Money is always good. But I always say, give them a try. You know, it's like a free day train for them. They can see how you work, make sure that they're happy, they like you. And after, it's all about you. It's all about what you can do. So just make sure that when you say to them, I can do this, you really can do it.